Hi, in front of me is Nokia 8.3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open settings, scroll down and tap on security. Then click face unlock, enter your current login method, tap on setup face unlock, read the descriptions and click start. Now tap done, and when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!